Good morning, students. Welcome to the video class of class 12th. We already discussed the fundamental of limits in lecture 1, the meaning of continuity and definition of continuity, some problems of type 1. Now in lecture 3, I am going to discuss some more problems of type 1 in another method, and thereafter problems of continuity of type 2 we will discuss. Now let's start some more problems of type 1 using another method. For example, examine the continuity. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to square root of x square plus 4 minus 2 divided by x square if x not is equal to 0, and this is 1 by 4 if x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. In previous lecture, for x not equal to 0, we use a limit extends to 0 minus 0 plus, but we can also solve without taking left hand limit, right hand limit. Directly we can take limit extends to a and write the function, then evaluate the limits. If the limit exists, then find f of a. If limiting value equal to functional value, then the function is continuous. Now do like this. X not equal to 0 means x tends to 0. Clear? Limit x tends to 0, that is limit x tends to 0. What is function? X tends to 0 means x not equal to 0, maybe less than, maybe greater than. Clear? So what is the function here? Root over x square plus 4 minus 2 divided by x square. This is rational. We have to rationalize. That is limit x tends to 0, square root of x square plus 4 minus 2 x conjugate multiplied by x conjugate, that is equal to root over x square plus 4 plus 2. Clear? And divide by here x square. Also write the term or the factor x square plus 4 plus 2. This is in the form of a minus b plus b. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x square plus 4 minus 4 divided by x square into root over x square plus 4 plus 2. Plus 4 minus 4 was cancelled. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, and also here x square divided by x square into root over x square plus 4 and plus 2. Clear? X square goes cancelled. This is equal to 1, and which is equal to 1 by 0 root over 0 plus 4 means 4 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now what is the functional value here? Functional value can be determined where equal to sign present. Functional value can be determined where the equal to sign present. Here x is equal to 0. So functional value can be determined from this. What is the functional value here? That is 1 by 4. F of 0 is equal to, now 1 by 4 functional value, that is functional value fb is functional value f of 0 is equal to 1 by 4. Since limit extends to 0, f of x exists and limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0 and both answer is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now one more example. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to log of 2x minus 5, log of 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus 4 if x not equal to 2 and now another question. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to log 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus 4 if x not equal to 2, 3 by 4 if x is equal to 2 at x equal to 2. Now find direct limits without taking LHL RHL. This is equal to limiting value LP, that is limiting value. Limit x tends to 2 log of 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus 4. But we have formula limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. So this should be 1 plus x form. But here it is not 1 plus x form and also tends to 0 form, but here tends to 2 form. We have to make tends to 0 form. Let x minus 2 is equal to t. Replace x is equal to 2 plus t. When x tends to 2, then t tends to what? T tends to 0. So this can be written as limit t tends to 0 log of 3 into 2 plus t minus 5 whole divided by this can be written as log of 3s minus 5 divided by limit x tends to 2 log of 3s minus 5 divided by x minus 2 and into x plus 2 here. So x minus 2 is what? X minus 2 equal to t and this is equal to what? And this is equal to x means 2 plus t plus 2 and which is equal to limit t tends to 0 log of 6 plus minus 5, that is 6 minus 5, this is 1 and plus what? 3t divided by here t and this is equal to limit t tends to 0 1 by this is 2 plus t plus 4 plus t and by standard formula this is equal to what? by formula limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus mx by x is equal to m, right? So by standard formula limit t tends to 0 log 1 plus 3t by t, which is equal to 3, and this is equal to 1 by 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Limit exists. Now functional value. What is functional value? FB, functional value. FB, F for function, functional, B for value. FB, F of 2. Here x is equal to, so functional value at functional value will be 3 by 4. This is f of 2 equal to 3 by 4 as limit exists and equal to functional value. Therefore, the function is continuous. H limit extends to 2. H limit extends to 2. F of x exists and limit extends to 2. F of x is equal to f of 2. Both answer is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to. Then another question. Another question. Examine the continuity of. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to e to x minus 1 divided by log 1 plus 2x. Log of 1 plus 2x. If x not equal to 0 and this is equal to 2, if x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Here also we can find direct limit without taking left hand limit and right hand limit. Now limiting value. Limit x tends to what? 0. What is f of x? X tends to 0 means maybe less, maybe greater. So that is x not equal to 0. Here e to x minus 1 by log 1 plus 2x. So by formula we know limit x tends to 0 e to x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. So this requires by x and this also requires by x. So we can write limit x tends to 0 e to x minus 1 by x. Again limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus 2x by x. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 and this is equal to what? 1 by this is 2. By formula limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus mx by x is equal to what? M. So this is 1 by 2. Limiting value equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to what? 1 by 2. But f of functional value, f of 0 is equal to what? When x is equal to 0 and its value is functional value is 2 is equal to 2. Here limiting value not equal to functional value. Here limit x tends to 0 f of x not equal to f of 0. Therefore f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Now another question. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to 1 minus sin 2x divided by pi by 4 minus x whole square. If x not equal to pi by 4 and this is equal to 2, if x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to pi by 4. Similar process we have to do. Now another question. Examine the quantity of f of x is equal to 1 minus sin 2x divided by pi by 4 minus x whole square. If x not equal to pi by 4, 2. If x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to pi by 4. Similar process we have to do. Limits, that is solution. Limit x tends to pi by 4 and this is 1 minus sin 2x divided by pi by 4 minus x whole square. In the formula sine or cos of 10 tends to 0 form, right? But here tends to pi by 4. Now we have to convert this is tends to 0 form. How it convert? If pi by 4 minus x is equal to t, then t tends to 0 obviously. So put pi by 4 minus x is equal to t. That implies x is equal to pi by 4 minus t. When x tends to when x tends to pi by 4, that implies t tends to 0. Use this and this in the limit, that is limit t tends to 0, 1 minus sin 2 into pi by 4 minus t divided by this is t square and this is equal to limit t tends to 0, 1 minus sin pi by 2 minus 2t divided by t square. Clear? And this is equal to limit t tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2t divided by t square. And this is equal to limit t tends to 0, this is equal to 2 sin square t. Formula 1 minus cos 2t. Formula 1 minus cos 2t, this is 2 sin square t divided by t square. So this is to take common, this is limit t tends to 0 sin t by t whole square, and this is equal to 2 into 1 square, which is equal to 2. That is limit x tends to pi by 4 f of x is equal to what? 2 exists. And what is the functional value here? Here x is equal to pi by 4, then its corresponding value is 2, right? So functional value f b means functional value f of pi by 4 is equal to 2. Limiting value equal to functional value. Limiting value, that is limit x tends to pi by 4 f of x is equal to f of pi by 4 is equal to, therefore f of x is continuous. is continuous at x is equal to 5/4. Now another question. Limits. Another question. Examine the continuity. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to sin 1 by x not equal to 0 if x is equal to at x is equal to 0. Now first limit x tends to 0. What is function? Sin 1 by x, right? So sin 1 by x, sin 1 by 0 means sin infinity is equal to sin infinity. Sin infinity means a value, a number of sin infinity oscillates or lies between -1 to +1, not definite. So limit x tends to 0, sin 1 by x does not exist. So f of x is equal to the f of x is discontinuous. At x is equal to. Another method we can do using Sandwich theorem. You can do. Clear? Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to e to the power 1x minus 1 divided by e to the power 1 by x plus 1 if x not equal to 0 if x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. Here exponential function, so it is better to do taking h tends to 0 for LHL and RHL. So what is LHL here? Left hand limit x tends to 0 minus, this is a minus, and this is equal to 1 by e to the 1 by x minus 1 by e to the 1 by x plus 1. For left hand side, for LHL, the rule is if x tends to 0, then use x is equal to a minus x. Here x is what is a? That is x is equal to here 0 minus x. Use 0 minus x. So limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. E to the power 1 by 0 minus x minus 1 by e to the 1 by 0 minus x plus 1. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 e to the power minus 1 by x minus 1 divided by e to the minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, and we know e to the power minus infinity is equal to 0. E to the infinity equal to what? Infinity. So this is equal to e to the minus infinity minus 1 by e to the minus infinity plus 1. We know e to the minus infinity is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1, this is equal to minus 1. So LHS equal to minus 1. Now to find RHS, RHL right, limit x tends to 0 plus e to the 1 by x minus 1 by e to the 1 by x plus 1. This is infinity by infinity form here, so we cannot put directly the value of limits. Now limit x tends to 0 for RHL use a plus h form. In place of x use a plus h. Here a equal to 1 to 0, so we can write here 1 by 0 plus h minus 1 by e to the 1 by 0 plus h plus 1, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 e to the 1 by h minus 1 by e to the 1 by h plus 1. So take common e to the 1 by x, limit h tends to 0 e to the 1 by x common, this is equal to 1 minus e to the 1 by h whole divided by e to the 1 by h, 1 plus 1 by e to the 1 by h here, and this is equal to 1 by e to the 1 by h goes cancel, this is equal to 1 by e to the infinity, 1 by e to the infinity by 1 plus 1 by e to the infinity, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by infinity means 0, 1 by infinity means 0, 1 minus 1 by infinity divided by 1 plus 1 by infinity, this is equal to 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0, so answer is 1. Since LS here LH is equal to minus 1, RH is equal to plus 1, so limit doesn't exist, therefore discontinuous. LHL is equal to what? Minus 1. RHL is equal to what? Plus 1. So LHL not equal to RHL, therefore limit doesn't exist. Limit does not exist, so f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Now another question. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to sin pi into bracket x by 2 at x is equal to 0. Here bracket x function, so take LHL and both this. Solution LHL, limit x tends to 0 minus sin pi into bracket x by 2 here, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi bracket x in place of x. If we write x tends to 0, then replace x is equal to a minus x. What is a here? Here a is equal to 0, so replace in place of x 0 minus x by 2, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi into 0 minus a very small positive quantity, 0 minus a very small positive quantity. Pay attention please. bracketed 0 minus h is equal to what? Bracketed 0 minus h means 0 minus something is equal to minus 0 point something. This is equal to minus 1. Clear? 0 minus 0 0 0 0 something, suppose 1. This is equal to minus 0 point something. Clear? So minus 0 point something in square bracket. This is bracketed function. Minus 0.1 means minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to sin of minus pi by 2 is equal to minus sin pi by 2, and minus sin pi by 2 means minus 1. This is LHL and RHL. Now to find RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus sin pi bracket x by 2. Clear? And this is limit h tends to 0 sin pi, replace x by 0 plus h by 2. Clear? And 0 point something, 0 plus h means 0 point something in square bracket. So bracketed of 0 point something means 0. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin pi. This is 0 by 2, and this is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. LHL not equal to RHL. So f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. These are the problems of type 1 using another method. Now problems of type 2. Problems based on type 2. That is, what is type 2? X less than a, x greater than equal to a, or x less than equal to a, x greater than a, or x less than a, x is equal to a, x greater than a. This type. One question: examine the continuity of f of x is equal to 1 by x plus bracketed x plus bracketed x if x less than 0. Clear? And minus 1 or and 1, suppose minus 1 if x greater than equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. This belongs to type 2. How can solve this type of problem? Solution: LHL limit x tends to a means what? 0. X tends to 0 minus. What do you mean by 0 minus? What do you mean 0 minus? 0 minus means less than 0. In the question where x less than 0, this is x less than 0. 0 minus value of x less than 0. Here, so for left hand, use the function this. For left hand, use the function this. That is equal to 1 by x plus bracketed x. X plus bracketed x. Due to bracket function, so we can use limit h tends to 0 1 by, for left hand side, x put x is equal to a minus h. what is a here? Here a is equal to 0, so use x is equal to 0 minus h. So this is 0 minus h plus bracketed 0 minus h. Bracketed 0 minus h. Simply h present, then you can use h is equal to 0, but in square brackets, if h present, then you consider h is equal to very small positive quantity. Clear? In case of square brackets, in between square brackets or bracketed function, if h present in between square bracket, then consider h is very small positive quantity, not 0. But here you can put 0, h equal to 0. So this is equal to 1 by minus h, and what is this? And what is this? 0 minus h means minus 0 point something. Bracketed 0 minus h. Look at 0 minus h bracketed means less than 0, means minus 0 point something. Minus 0 point something bracketed is equal to minus 1. So its value is here limit h tends to 0. This is minus 1. Look, this is minus 1. So its value is put h is equal to 0. Put h is equal to 0. H is equal to 0. Then it's 1 by minus 0 minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Left hand side limit is equal to minus 1. Now for right hand side limits, for RHL limit extends to 0 plus 0 plus means greater than 0. Here greater than 0 present, so its corresponding value is what? Minus 1. Here x is not present, so the answer is minus 1. Again, how to find the functional value? Here x greater than equal to sign present means from this we can determine the functional value. So f of 0 is equal to what? The corresponding value is equal to minus 1. Here LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0, all are minus 1. Therefore f of x is continuous and x is equal to 0. Now another question. Another question. Limit. Another question. Examine the continuity of f of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1 if x less than equal to 0 and x if 0 less than x less than 1, and also 2x minus 1 if x greater than equal to 1 at x is equal to 0, 1. Here two questions. First we have to find at x is equal to 0 and then at x is equal to 1. Solution. At x is equal to 0. Clear? At x is equal to 0. First write limit extends to 0 minus means less than 0. That is x less than 0. Where present x minus 0? Here x minus 0, x less than 0 now. x less than 0 present, so for left hand use this 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Since it is polynomial form, as can puts directly the limits. It is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Again for RHL, this is LHL, and what is RHL? RHL means limit extends to 0 plus, means greater than 0. What is greater than 0? X 0 less than x means x greater than 0. So here presents x greater than 0. This is equal to x, and which is equal to what? 0. LHL not equal to RHL, that implies f of x is discontinuous. At x is equal to 0. Again, second part of the question, at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. LHL limit extends to 1 minus. Where 1 minus? X less than 1 present here. So its corresponding function is what? X. This is equal to x. So answer is 1 minus x tends to 1 minus the same as x tends to 1. So put x is equal to 1 here. So LHL equal to 1. Then RHL limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus means greater than 1, x greater than 1. Here x greater than 1 present. So use this for RHL at x equal to 1. So 2x minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And how to find the functional value at x equal to 1? This is equal sign contain. This contain equal sign. So f of 1 is equal to functional value. F of 1 is equal to what? F of 1 means use this function. This is equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Here, limiting value equal to functional value. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 1, and is having value 1. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. These are the examples of the type 2, and after this you have to practice more and more problems for clear your fundamentals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.